Welcome to the Datalynx official YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will learn how to save Excel files as CSV using Data Explorer functionality. On my local computer, I have 3 Excel files. We will use these files to convert them to CSV. Let's log into Data Explorer and navigate to the Tools button under the General Tools bar. From the Tools button, select Save Excel as CSV. The Save Excel as CSV screen appears. The type of file extension is XLSX. Select the source folder containing the Excel files. The Select Folder screen appears. Select the folder and click on the Select Folder button. It is evident that there are 3 Excel files in the chosen folder. Next is to choose the destination folder. The Select Folder screen shows up. After choosing the destination folder, press the Select Folder button. The next field is After Open, wait time in seconds. This indicates that after opening the file, Data Explorer waits for the specified number of seconds to allow the Excel file to process all of the macros. The next is After Close, wait seconds. This means we have to wait the specified number of seconds in order to process all of the macros. Click on the OK button. Data Explorer starts saving the Excel files as CSV. The Information dialog box appears, showing the number of files processed and completed successfully. Let's examine the destination folder and see the files. It is evident that a schema file as well as 3 CSV files were created. The schema file looks like this. Let us view the product.csv file by opening it. Thank you for watching.